Dr. Kiran Bedi ji to address the function.
आदरणीय ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर फॉर रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया श्री नितिन गडकरी जी और तमाम आदरणीय साथियों, मैं पुडुचेरी पॉपुलेशन की बिहाफ पे पुडुचेरी के लोगों की बिहाफ से आपका बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि आपने ये पुडुचेरी को सौगात दी जो बहुत देर से पेंडिंग थी। 2013 से सर ये पेंडिंग थी, आज 2020 तक ये पूरी हुई। ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की बड़ी ज़बरदस्त सौगात है और इससे तमाम को बहुत बहुत राहत मिलेगी। बहुत समय जो उनका बर्बाद होता था, मुझे बताया गया कि ये रेलवे क्रॉसिंग 16 बारी दिन में बंद होती थी सर, और लोग घूम घूम के जाते थे। इसलिए आपने आज पुडुचेरी को ये बहुत बड़ी भेंट दी है। बहुत सारे लोग बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे कि ये कब इनॉग्रेट हो। सो आप आए और आपने इनॉग्रेट किया, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। पब्लिक हमेशा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के लिए अब की तरफ आभारी रहेगी। मैं सिर्फ छोटी सी एक दो बात आपके सामने समक्ष रखना चाहती हूँ फॉर योर कंसिडरेशन सर, इज दैट लुक एट द काइंड ऑफ डिले वीव हैड थ्रू दिस काइंड ऑफ very important project, which means we need to look at the way we deal with our projects because overruns are very, very expensive. Therefore, whenever we set up such projects, we could factor in the needs, the challenges which will come, and so that the cost is kept aside as an extra amount, and then we don't have to wait for it, because people then go back, particularly when it's a land issue, courts are involved. So we could keep some money aside, which may have to be used for such fees. Otherwise, it only goes back and forth to get additional sanctions. So what I'm requesting you in these 2 minutes I've still got is a refresher training in project management, project writing, refresher training in project management, refresher training in PWD management, incorporating latest technology in every way, and including road safety. I think we need to have regular refresher training in highway and road management with Public Works Department, which includes the refresher training of the chief engineer himself, because officers come and go and the training sometimes is not refreshed. So it's not that they don't have it, they have it. Some of them go for sporadic training, but if we can include this so that we can cut out the kind of delays which this project has suffered. How do we deal with legal litigation issues because land is involved and there's huge compensation, so that we don't have to suffer like we did for almost 7 years for this project to come about, even though Government of India was fully financially supporting it. This is my personal request, sir. Thanking you once again on behalf of the people of Puducherry for the gift which Government of India has given, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has given, the Ministry of Railways has given, and all of you. Thank you so much, and also thank all those who saw the need, who underlined the need for having such a ROB. I want to thank them also, even if they are not present there. Thank you very much, sir.